you see who I really am, but you never know me. Every day is as if I play a part. Now I see, if I wear a mask, I can't fool the world, but I cannot fool my heart. Who is that man I see staring straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside? Oh, I am now in a world where I have to hide my heart and what I believe in, but somehow I will show the world what's inside my heart and be loved for who I am.